AI is already in your organization. The real question is it governed well? In this short session, we'll walk through a 2026 ready blueprint to weave the UK government's AI principles directly into your agent workflows across councils, healthcare trusts, and education. This framework, developed by me, gives you a clear, visual roadmap, from defining your AI principles, to embedding them in day-to-day processes, to monitoring compliance over time. It's designed for busy leaders who need something practical, not theoretical. Think of your AI workflow as a service journey. At intake, fairness matters, who gets seen, and on what terms. At triage, responsiveness matters, how quickly and accurately you handle risk and urgency. During action, effectiveness matters. Do your AI-assisted decisions actually help people? In monitoring, continuous improvement matters. Do you learn and adapt over time? We're going to align each of these stages with the UK AI regulatory principles so governance is built in, not bolted on. First, safety, security, and robustness. At every stage of the workflow, you risk assess and test your AI systems. You red team critical use cases, secure data and deployments, and log incidents so issues become lessons, not liabilities. The aim is simple: AI that is resilient enough for real public sector pressure. Next, transparency and explainability. You document which models you use, what data they rely on, and how they influence decisions. You give staff and citizens clear, plain English explanations and maintain audit trails so you can show you're working when challenged. Then fairness, governance, and redress. You schedule periodic bias checks using representative data. You clarify roles and accountability with RACI models and keep humans in the loop for sensitive decisions. And you put in place clear appeal routes and SLAs, so people know how to challenge an AI-influenced decision and when they'll get a response. How do you make this real? Start with one workflow. Choose a contained, high-value use case. Embed the principles into its process map, add risk checks, logging steps, escalation points, and appeal routes directly into the workflow. Run it as a pilot this quarter, collect evidence, and use the findings to refine your controls and your playbook. Success doesn't mean zero risk. It means known, managed, and monitored risk. You can show your DPIAs, your logs, your bias checks, and your SLAs. Staff understand how to use AI, when to override it, and how to escalate concerns. Citizens experience services that are faster and smarter, but still fair and accountable. This framework is for education and training. It isn't legal advice, and you should always run your own DPIAs before deployment. If you'd like tailored support to adapt this model to your council, trust, or institution, reach out to Vajreshwari Consulting. Together, we can make AI in the public sector both ambitious and responsible.